What's up, fools? Puro Chicano U-turn. Walking here in the railroad tracks. Go see some of these fools over here. They know what happened to my freaking van. Get ready to sock somebody up, man. See if I can find this fool. Get my damn jewelry back too. See if anybody's over here kicking it. I think I hear somebody. Oh yeah, some fool came over here and was tagging right here. Let's see who's over here. Yo, what's up? Holy shoot. Damn, there's a car right there. Ain't nobody here. Nope. See, these fools camp out right here, look. And they make their food right here too. Somebody dropped some Cheetos right there, man. These fools tend to stay here. They go right here. And these fools stay in here too. Containers. Right here. What the heck? Look at this. What are they? Well, ain't nobody here. Ooh, I found me a nice case. Look at this. Found me a case for my phone. You'll find all kinds of stuff right here. Yes, some weed, whatever. You'll find some crack pipes right here too. Actually, methamphetamines, because a lot of these fools don't even smoke crack at all. What these fools do, they do methamphetamines. That's their like #1 thing. They don't smoke anything else but that. That's their prerogative. What is this? Oh, I might be able to use this. Something. And then this. Alright, ain't nobody here. Let's get out of here. Hoping to see somebody. Maybe I'll come back here later on. Oh yeah. That time I was shooting up here. You guys can see the bullet shots up there. That was a paintball and I hit it up here. One of these fools shot it with the, you see the glass broken? One of these homeboys, they shot it with the .44 caliber, and he shot twice and this fool missed, and so did I. But then I shot it on my .36 caliber and I missed too. I was trying to find the other guy with my I let him have it. Let him have my my 44, I mean my 36 caliber, man, but I'm gonna try to get it back from him. I'm gonna get that fool something else more practical, because he's not gonna know how to do anything with that black powder pistol, man. So we're just gonna try to we're gonna try to get it back from him. I'll get him something else. I'll get that fool like a 22 or 25. It's more practical, because that fool be slanging, and he's out and about. He's always on his bike. So that fool needs it. He even told me, like, yeah, fool, I need this. So yeah, of course. Ain't nobody out here. They'll probably be here later. But I'm sure they're kicking it over there in that other spot. where I went, but see, damn, I don't remember exactly where it was, man. Other than that, I would have been over there. Oh yeah, and they didn't take the van. They didn't take the freaking van, dude. They said the paperwork was wrong. And I told them about it. I told them, dude, are you guys sure? Because the paperwork's not all there. Yeah, you'll be able to do it. You know, we ran, you know, the plates, and just as long as you have an old registration and this and that. And I already knew I needed a junk slip or the title. I don't have either, so we're gonna try to go get either one of them. So we'll see. I got my son over there. What happened? What happened?
He was trying to bring him to the house. We ran over there.
Harry?
Yeah? Huh? See? Harry, get out here! Harry, get out here!
No, you're just scaring him,
Stupid
fool.
chicken. Get in the freaking thing!
Mijos, you guys don't... Papas! It's because you guys are scaring them, dude. You guys don't chase them. You guys don't chase him like that, dude. You gotta call him. Alright, see you guys. Which kind of U-turn?